All right, real quick, I just wanted to go over a few names that are being added to my watch list from the screens I ran from yesterday's close. First one I'm taking a look at is that Apel's Pharmaceutical? Apel's Pharmaceutical? APLS? I don't know. Anyway, on the daily chart, you can see this thing heading higher. Kind of broke out. It's pretty significant here because this was a major gap down. So I would imagine there would have been a lot of resistance here. But we see we punched through. So if this thing comes up, comes back down, takes a test, I'd be inclined to trade it to the long side, to the upward bias. On a weekly chart, seeing the same thing. It's kind of been coiling up. It's above its moving averages now. Broke out above this level. Maybe it's going to come up here, test this high, and come back down. Maybe we'll trade it. Second one, I just did a trade on this earlier, but Twitter's on the watch list. I actually did a credit spread, thinking that this thing is going to be weak over the next couple of days. Just kind of fill this little space right here. But that said, this is a pretty significant breakout. If it does come back, and if we see it starting to maybe hold these moving averages that are now curling higher, I might be inclined to trade it with an upside bias. Kind of broke this downtrend on this monster gap up on monster volume, and it retook the 50-day, so we'll see how that turns out. I got one idea here this is on the bearish momentum. So this company here, this was prior resistance. It broke out, kind of rode its 20-day moving average, and over the past couple of days it just completely broke down. Broke the 20, broke the 50, broke the support line. So I'm going to wait and see how low this goes. If it comes back and starts to retest this 50-day moving average or this new resistance, which was prior support, I might be inclined to trade it to the downside. Although, if you take a look at the longer-term weekly chart, the uptrend still holds. So we'll be cautious with that one. We'll see where it turns out, how it turns out. Another one that I was looking at today, this is Ollie's bargain basement. So here's what happened. The stock was up on big volume, had some bullish commentary, and they reported earnings, yada yada. So it's up on a big volume base. So I like this. I like to see if it comes back, if these moving averages start to curl higher. Maybe that 20 crosses above the 50, and this thing is maintaining some support up here. There might be a second move up we'll be watching for. Weekly chart, still in a downtrend, so we just got to be careful with that. You can see even with this move, it's still below this trend line, and it's still trading below its 20-week moving average and well below its 50-week moving average. So we'll take a look. It's on the list, and that's basically it. Thanks.